Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021-2022 range from Pilote, and this is the first van I'm going to do in any detail. Right, so this one here is 7 meters long. It has got the German layout in the back, which includes this rather nice large wardrobe. And what do you think is here? Any ideas? It's a wardrobe. You're wrong. You say you thought it was what do you call it? You thought it was a shelf in here, didn't you? And the boiler. Well, you were wrong on that one. And so this comes out. I've got to say that this actually coming out like that, that's probably as far as it will go, but that has my seal of approval. There's also a place down here to keep your spare beer in, so that comes up like that, and there you go. What you do is you put your beer in the blue one, and when it goes through your system, it ends up in the black one. So you see, I was completely right about keeping your beer in here. There you have, that's a shower. I was going to make a joke, but I think I'll save that joke for later now actually. I have to think about if that's the sort of joke I want to actually say on a family channel such as mine. And there's me in the mirror with my Bydgoszcz, Visit Bydgoszcz mask. In fact, I'm the only one here that seems to be walking around with the mask, even though it was said to be obligatory. No doubt we'll make it obligatory later. This closes. It doesn't close yet. Why not? Because it's got stuck. No, it's not stuck. It's blocked by this. That's clever, isn't it? There you go. That comes out like that. I can lock myself in here. And so you can sit in here, use the toilet. And you can walk across here, you see, and have a shower. Now, that, in my opinion, that's quite convenient. But do you think it's convenient? Maybe because I live in a rather strange way. How about the shower? How much room is there in here? There's me in the mirror. You can see how much room there. Bang, bang. So, you know, I mean, it's a 7 meter long motorhome. So you can't expect there to be huge amounts of space. Nice little thing here. You've got a place that you can put your towels up there or something. And when you're in the shower, I think that might come in handy. You know what I think would be good though? I don't know how I'm going to do it. Is a place sort of leave your clothes or something. Like maybe some hooks on that wouldn't go amiss, because if you're in the toilet, you think, what do you need some hooks up there for? Although the gentlemen's public toilets could do with some hooks. Maybe the ladies could as well, but I haven't been in one. But I think that would be a handy feature. Something to stick your underpants on as you go in the shower. Particularly useful, you know, if you've got people up front. So the bed here comes down, and you can also turn this down here into a bed as well. So you can get 4 people in here. The effect of an integrated motorhome is one of space. That's how it appears to me. This would be no wider than a semi-integrated motorhome, but it just seems as though it's much wider. At least that's my impression. I mean, you might think something different. You might think, well, it just looks the same to me, but why is that? Because the semi-integrated is the cab. Between the habitation area and the cab, there's sort of comes out a bit habitation area. Whereas here, for example, it's the same. The walls are straight until the front. Anyway, now one feature I have noticed for the 2022 season is only putting in two burners. Now, one company that just owned by Pilote, is Francia, and they started putting 2 burners in their rather expensive camper van, the Yukon, or the Yukon. Don't know how it's supposed to pronounce it. And some Francias, amongst other models as well, you can have 1 burner up here which can be covered and 2 burners which can be separate, which I think is quite a good idea because you can use the space for preparation. Now the question often comes up on my site is, do you want 2 burners or do you really want 3 burners? Now I can say I've hardly ever used 3 burners, but then again there are those that like to do everything differently and not just sling everything into the same pot. So I do appreciate that point of view. Well, it's not self-closing, but it looks quite. I think that looks rather nice, actually. I know sometimes people see things. Oh, it is self-closing. You've got to give it a strong enough thrust forward. Lighting's pretty good as well. Quite like that. I've got a feeling that that is currently not working as well as it should be, so I'm not going to mess around with it. And if you want to take the bed down, well, I can't do it with one hand, but the thing is this: you've got to put the seats here. Got to first of all go down. I can just about do that with one hand, and then this comes down, and that will come down roughly as far as here. No, sorry, it won't. No. Yeah, rough. Sorry, closer around there. Oh, let's see what's down here. You know, double floor, and that's where you keep your beer before you drink it. If you still got it in cans, I mean, you can take it from the brewery and just fill it up into your water tank. And I think it said it was 160 litres. So you get 160 litres in your beer in your water tank, and you get some cans down there as well. Table's nice and big. Light. So you can easily get 4 people under there. Dometic fridge. What could be up here?